Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use selection tool in Audacity software. In this short tutorial, I will tell you how you can use selection tool in Audacity software. As you know, Audacity software is used to record audio or edit your audio recordings. So if you want to select your audio file or a small portion of your audio file, then how you can do this? Please watch complete video. I will tell you a simple and easy method. First of all, open your Audacity software and import your audio file. I have already imported my audio file. Now there is a two method you can select your audio file. If you want to select small portion of your audio file, then you have to click on this selection tool. So if you select this selection tool, then you can select small portion of your audio file. Even you can select the full audio file. Or if you want to select the complete project, then you can click here and you can see that our complete project file is now selected. So there is a two method. So here you can see that our project is selected. So you can use both methods to select your audio file. Selection is very important so that if you want to apply effects on this portion, you have to select it first. So how you can select this first? How you can select this portion? By clicking on selection tool, or you can select this all your audio tracks by clicking on that area. So this is a short tutorial in which I will tell you how you can select your audio file in Audacity. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys in the next video.